pausing.
So Mr. Wood is having the government class throw a school-wide election thing, you know? And so I got to make some posters for Hillary. And this is my poster.
The school decided to take down my poster that I showed you guys before, but I made a new one. I'll put it up in here. But that's too instead of it. I'm just being attacked from every angle.
Show up so my parents don't know that I'm making one. Just when I thought the school couldn't get any weirder. This right here makes me very sad. Because when I first came to this school, this weird half thing right there was Mr. Elkin's face on the Cat in the Hat. And now it's gone because someone broke the door. Good job. Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma. Sorry for the horrible lighting. I'm in my car and it's pitch black outside and all I have are these little light things in my car. So we gotta deal with it. Anyways, I'm on a night adventure. I'm currently just sitting in my car parked right now so that I could talk to you guys a little bit. I'm kind of sad right now because my phone has kind of fallen apart. It's on its final days. I've had this phone for 3.5 years now. It's an iPhone 4, so you can imagine how awful it is. I woke up the other morning to my phone in my cat's water bowl, and ever since then, there's the light where like the flashlight and the camera light is just won't turn off. It's just staying on even when I turn my phone off, and it's fucking weird. And I took it to this guy I know that's really into technology, and he told me that something is fried inside my phone and he would fix it for me by taking the screen off, but my screen is so shattered that if he did do that, it would ruin my phone and I wouldn't be able to see anything on it.
California's rock station. Sacramento, KRXQ HD1 Sacramento. Live anywhere at krxq.net. 98 Rock.
That scream starts with an earthquake, birds and snakes and airplanes, then he puts his memory. The Sunday games for kids. Raise your hands, what do you hold? The devil's bleeding trail.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma, and I'm here in Truckee. I'm here for work, but I'm also going to be visiting Jennifer again, which I'm super happy about. I was a little nervous about the drive up here because it's been snowing quite a bit. Look at this. Yeah, there's snow like everywhere. The place that I work at, I think I've told you guys before, I work in fast food. I'm not going to tell you what fast food restaurant I work in because, you know, privacy. But I'm at a different store than I actually work at. I'm helping out a different store in Truckee. And the drive-thru here is like covered in ice, and I've seen so many cars having trouble get through it. And I don't understand why they still have the drive-thru open when people are having trouble getting through it. It's actually crazy because the place that I live in, we just recently had a snowstorm. We got like, I don't know, maybe a foot, maybe half a foot of snow. And that doesn't sound a lot to some people, I know, especially compared to how it is where I'm at right now. But the area I live in, we haven't had snow in 3 years. And so half a foot to a foot of snow after 3 years of not having snow is amazing. So, I haven't had to be at school for like the past 2 weeks or so, and apparently I still have to do work even though they don't need me at school. So this is all of my work that I've been working on. I think my favorite out of these is that one. I also, of course, finished my research paper. It's called The Wonders of Video Production, because, you know, that's what it's on. And I am quite proud of myself. I actually reached the 10-page minimum requirement. Didn't think I had it in me. Bet you didn't either. No, I'm just kidding. I did it! I'm graduating! As you can see, some things have changed. My hair is black now. There's still some blue at the bottom. You can't really tell. I got some bangs again, and I was super hesitant about it because, like, I've had bangs before. If you've been here a while, you probably already know that. I was hesitant about it because I love the way bangs look, and I love them so much. But they're a pain in the fucking ass to take care of. Like, you see this? You see this? This is what I mean. And they get greasy, and I wear a hat at work, like a build hat, so they're just like that all the time, and like they get sweaty and gross, and it's almost summertime, and they're gonna get sweaty and gross, and so many things. But I knew that if I didn't do it, I was just gonna keep thinking about it, and thinking about it, and thinking about it, you know? So I figured, let's just fucking go for it, or else I'm just gonna think about it for the rest of my life. Plus they can grow back out, you know? Oh, I just thought I saw a fucking spider. Today was kind of a crazy day. Somebody in drive-thru decided to order, I work line, so I make the food. A customer in the drive-thru ordered 10 fucking. And do you know how annoying those are to make? Like, 1 is fine, 2, whatever, 3, you're pushing it a little bit, but 10? I know, I sound like I'm complaining a lot about my job, but what can you do when you work in fast food? I mean, it's a good job besides the customers. That's about it. Okay, so I just came out of my bathroom after filming what you just saw, and look at this! This is my spot. She was over there, and now she's over here. Every time. Every time. Is this your spot? I don't think so. Girl! Check out these dope ass leggings I just got today. Oh, I love them. And I also just painted this. So I just touched up my painting a little bit and added some flowers everywhere. Honestly, I don't know if I like it more or less. I don't know, we'll see how it goes.